Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove specific sites that you've added for pop-up and redirect. So in case you've added this in the past, you had a bunch of sites that will not send you pop-up or redirect, and you somehow want to get those websites to send you those redirects or pop-up again. This is how you do it. So you want to click the burger menu here, click the settings here on the lower right hand side, click on your privacy and security on the left side. Then you want to click on site and shield settings. Scroll down guys to where you'll find the pop-up and redirects, and here under the section that says don't allow site to send pop-up redirects, in case you have a website here, you want to go ahead and remove them. In case you want to remove that website, you want to ensure that you turn back your site on so site can send pop-up and redirect. And of course, as I said, remove this. So click on this and then you click on remove, and it will remove the sites, and also you can get your pop-up redirects once again. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.